Hey y'all, it's another episode of Meatless Monday. But this time, today, I have a twist on Meatless Monday. So if you want to know what the twist is, come on over and see what I got going on. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, guess what? I wholeheartedly welcome you to Eat to Live Strong, where in 2021 there's a lot of great things going on. Today is Meatless Monday and I have a twist on Meatless Monday. What I'm doing for you today, guys, I am going to show you the vegan portion of the meal, and then I'm going to show you what the fam bam is eating, which is a meaty Monday. So hang in there, let's get started. So I love color in my vegetables. Just think of you wearing a simple black outfit or jeans with no color, and the minute you add color to it, it pops. You feel good. I think of my food in that manner. Call me what you want, but I love it that way. I love color. So I am cutting up some orange bell pepper and red bell pepper. For some reason or another, my garden did not come out yet with the green bell pepper. I'm waiting. So I'm doing red and orange, and that's really a good color. Chopping it up, getting it ready to go over to be sauteed with the other vegetables. So yum. I love color and veggies. Lemons are good on the surface. It keeps you from tearing up when you're cutting onions and garlic. So try that, guys. I've been told many a times that I am so careless with cutting up things with the knife, and it's just come from years of doing it wrong. I try, but I can't always get it right. My mother-in-law used to say to me, "You're gonna cut your finger off if you don't hold that knife properly." But you know, hey, it is what it is. So garlic, love garlic. I diced it up, and I could have added more, but love garlic. It has a great benefit for your health when it comes to your cholesterol. It's a cancer fighter. It does wonders for the body. Everyone should keep garlic in their house. And it's not the best thing to smell, but it tastes marvelous. It's amazing. So yeah, look at me cutting this up. I am just so horrible with the knife, but your girl is chopping it up. Garlic is so amazing. That small piece of food has a lot of power, a lot of pack, a lot of punch to it. So guys, try it. I use it in just about everything. My husband even uses it in his juices. Now that I cannot do. He will do a smoothie and throw garlic in there. I can't. But garlic is really good for you. So I'm getting this all ready so we can get it over to the skillet so that we can saute the garlic and the onions. But I'm adding carrots, shredded carrots to the menu today. That's your beta carotene. I love carrots as well. And this time of year, they're very sweet. I've had very sweet carrots. Broccoli and all of my vegetables, guys, I wash it using apple cider vinegar. That was compliments of Tiffany Chanel. She brought it to my attention. I grow most of my vegetables, but if I have to buy something in the store, it's recommended that I use it with apple cider vinegar just a touch so I can kill any germs that's lurking around in the vegetable. Thank you, Tiffany. Love broccoli. My family is so weird. They only like broccolini, and they don't like chunks of broccoli. I love it because I eat them in my salads and everything, but they want them all chopped up fine and small. I can eat them in a chunk. Now we're getting ready to go over to the skillet so that we can saute the onions and the garlic. And listen to the sizzle. It smells amazing. I love onions and garlic. It just does something to your meal, the garlic does. It is just amazing. More onions, please. I use onion powder and garlic powder just to give it a little more pop. I don't play when it comes to our seasonings. Now for the vegan side, it's just all vegetables. And I'm going to come to the table and talk to you guys a little bit more about what I'm going to do with the meal as well. Now it's time for the veggies. Look at all that beautiful color. Don't overcook your vegetables. That's where all your vitamins are. Now, here comes the meaty Monday part. I am making a Cajun meal to go, Cajun meats to go into the vegetables for the meaty Monday. So it's sausages and chopped up, and we're going to saute those on the stovetop as well. And then we're going to use shrimp. So we've got shrimp and sausage over the vegetables. So that's what we're doing for the meaty Monday side. So that was the twist, guys. I am using cayenne pepper. I'm using garlic powder, onion powder, as well as Cajun seasoning. There you go. And we're mixing all that yumminess up, sauteing it on top of the stove. Once we finish with it, we're going to drain it very, very well because the sausage produces a lot of oil. Hey y'all, it's your girl over at Eat to Live Strong coming to you so I can test this yumminess that I prepared for you guys today. Now, I am going to tell you the twist to it was that we have a vegan meatless Monday, and then we have a meaty Monday. So my family didn't want to just have the vegan style. They wanted a little meat, so I gave them a Cajun style sausage and shrimp combination to put on in their vegetables. So I will not be tasting theirs today. I did it with the chicken on Fiesta Friday. So I'm just gonna taste the veggies. Everybody knows what shrimp and sausage tastes like, right, anyway? So with that being said, I also wanted to know if you followed the video all the way through to the end. Let me know what you would eat for your vegan side or for the meaty side, in addition to what I prepared. So with my meal, I'm having a sweet potato, and I have to edit the video so that I can bring that to you guys on another episode. So I'm having a baked sweet potato that is caramelized. It's got some cinnamon, some maple, some yumminess. It is delicious. My grandmother used to make it all the time. So that's what I'm having with mine. And then my family, they want the carbs. People will eat this and they will put things such as pasta or rice or quinoa and things with it. I'm trying to stay away from the carbs, but my family decided it's time for sponsorship. They wanted some Pepperidge Farm garlic bread. So that's what they're having with theirs. I'm not doing the bread or anything because, again, I am trying to stay back from the carbs. I am just going to do the veggies, and the sweet potato. So without any further ado, I am going to go ahead and get in where I fit in. Heavenly Father, thank you for this food that I'm about to receive for the nourishment of my body. Bless the hands that prepare the meal and all aspects of the meal. Thank you, Lord, for all the continued blessings that you made in this household, and our health, our wealth, and our finances. And it is in your Son's name, Jesus Christ, that I'm living and pleading and praying for these things. Amen. Hallelujah. I love it. All right, so let's see what I am going to get into today. Now, again, I love onions and garlic. It is powerful. It has a lot of benefits for your health. So if you don't eat garlic, try and get some in your diet. Garlic is really good for you. And the thing about it is, a lot of people can't get past the smell, but the taste is good. I'm that way. I don't like the way it smells, and I don't like, well, let me rephrase that. I don't like the way it smells when it's sweating out of the skin. But I love it. Now, as I said, my husband, he will put it in his smoothie or his juice in the morning. I can't. But I can eat it, saute, put it in the meals and things like that. I have an aunt that will just pop one in her mouth and eat a whole clove. Can't. It is just that powerful. But anyway, let's get in with this vegetable here. Don't cook your veggies too long because you don't want mushy vegetables. I'm gonna get some of this broccoli. I like chunks of broccoli. My family likes the slim, like the broccolini. They don't like chunks. I'm like, what is your problem? I love this. I even put it on my salad and eat it raw. So here we go. Perfect crunch. Seasoned very well. It has, yeah, it's got a little crunch to it, and seasoned very well. It's got a little kick to it too, because I did put a little pepper and things in there. But it's really tasty. So you can't go wrong with the flavor. And I'm gonna try it with some of the carrots and the bell pepper, which is my favorite too. Have some. I'm so rude. I'm so sorry. Have some. Delicious. Delicious. Color absolutely make you feel good. It tastes good, makes you feel good, it makes you pop. It's really good. So, if you have come to the end of the video, please do me a favor, go to the comment section and tell me what would you make with a meal like this. Let me know if you tried it. Let me know if you will try it. It's very easy. There's really no recipe to this. It's just all in your taste bud. You make it taste the way you love for it to taste. And also, as far as the sausage and the shrimp, hey, it depends on your household. I had 1.5 pounds of shrimp and 1.5 pounds of sausage, and you saw me cut it all up. It's not that hard to do. It's very easy, very simple. This meal took about 40 minutes. And again, you guys do not have to chop up your vegetables if you want to buy them already in the pack, the frozen section. I just prefer not to, because when it's frozen, it's kind of mushy to me. So I like to chop mine up, and we grow a lot of our vegetables. Also, thank you Tiffany Chanel, because she was the one that advised me some time ago about rinsing in your vegetables and your fruits if you don't grow them. If you buy them at the market, to rinse them in a little bit of apple cider vinegar with the mother. It helps to wash all the germs away. And also with the lemon, I said this before in a video, but I'm just reiterating it to you. If you take lemon to whatever surface you're going to cut your onion or your garlic up on, it gets away the tears, no more tears. So try that. And also, again, let me know if you tried this meal. If you're going to try it, just let me know. And I believe that's a wrap on this. So I want to again thank you so very much for joining me for another episode of Eat, Drink, and Be Happy. And thank you also for coming. Please be sure to view the full video. Leave me a genuine comment about the video. Then thumbs me up and share me out, because sharing is caring. And if you're not a friend of mine on YouTube, please be sure to go down below there and subscribe to my channel. And don't you dare forget to go right next door and that notification bell. Click it, guys, so that you can be notified of all of my videos when they're uploaded. I want to thank you again for coming to another Meatless Monday. See you next time. Love you long time. Bye-bye now.